You're watching News Channel 11 at 11, the team you can trust.
Today was the first day of Megan Boswell's murder trial in Sullivan County.
Among Boswell's charges, 2 counts of felony murder, 1 count of first-degree murder. She faces those charges in the death of her 15-month-old daughter, Evelyn, who was the subject of an Amber Alert roughly 5 years ago. Evelyn was later found dead on a family member's property in March of 2020. Boswell has pled not guilty to all 19 of her charges.
During her opening argument, prosecutor Amber Massengill said Evelyn would be about 6 years old if she were alive today. Massengill says the last time she was seen alive was shortly after her first birthday.
In his opening statement, Boswell's defense attorney said Evelyn's death is tragic, but the state does not have evidence to convict Boswell of first-degree murder. News Channel 11's Jayana Scurry recaps all the information that was presented in day 1 of an anticipated lengthy trial.
Day 1 ended when a legal dispute arose about Megan Boswell's defense attorney, Gene Scott, who wanted to cross-examine a witness who testified. Prosecutor Amber Massengill said the entire case was a preventable tragedy and Evelyn's life was cut short.
You are going to hear testimony that Megan Boswell is taking trips to Gatlinburg, to Pigeon Forge, staying at Margaritaville Hotel, all while her child is upside down decomposing in a trash can. Boswell's attorney, Gene Scott, then gave his opening statement.
Did she lie to the police? She absolutely lied to the police. I'm not contesting that. Some of the stuff she said, again, are an 18-year-old girl scared to death, talking to a TBI agent, talking to a police officer, and trying to explain this. She doesn't want to get in trouble.
The first witness to testify, TBI agent Brian Fraley, talked about the day Evelyn's body was found in a trash can inside of a playhouse. He described evidence photos from that day.
This was just simply removing those items, that includes the trash can and these 2 trash bags from inside the playhouse. That's prior to laying out the body bag and removing the trash bag with Evelyn's body onto this front porch.
Several jurors cried during this testimony when photos of Evelyn's body was shown. Boswell could be heard audibly sobbing during this.
That's items that were also discovered. Again, this is the body of Evelyn. That's her head. There's her legs and feet. There's her right hand. There on that body bag.
The day ended abruptly after Scott asked to cross-examine Fraley about what Boswell told him. Judge Goodwin decided to recess to review this request and decide whether it could be admitted. Court is in recess until tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Jurors are expected to return at 9 a.m. In Bluffville, Jayana Scurry, News Channel 11. Sarah, Casey.
And we'll be following this trial throughout its course. We'll also be streaming it on our website. In the meantime, you can read our previous coverage of the case at WJHL.com under the Megan Boswell tab.